Hey Queens, how are you today? Hope everyone is doing great, well, having a good week so far. And if you are new here, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is LaKendra, and the name of my channel is All Things Lux, a channel dedicated to fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. And if you are new here, and if you like fashion, luxury fashion, like me, I'd ask that you would please subscribe. Really trying to grow my Lux fam, become a Lux queen. Love to have you. You won't regret it, sis. Come on in. Hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you are notified each and every time I post a video. I would greatly appreciate it. So what am I up to today? Well, I'm on my way to Louis Vuitton, and I got a thought. Why not take the girls with me? Let me put them on, let them see what I'm doing today. So hopefully this goes well. Louis Vuitton is kind of funny with recording and taking pics. I really don't ever have a problem with taking pictures of things I'm trying on, but recording, I'm not so sure. So I will do my best. So why am I going to Louis Vuitton? Well, there are some sandals I would like to pick up, and I know they have them in stock. And I have decided that I would like to start acquiring some of their ready-to-wear pieces. I have several purses, several pairs of shoes, but I don't have anything ready to wear because I've always thought it was so pricey. But I'm at a point now where I would like to acquire one or two nice pieces that I can wear. So we'll see how this goes. I'm interested to see what size I am in their clothes, how they fit, do they run true to size, what's really the tea on their ready to wear stuff. So I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys later.
Spot so confused, oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make it seem. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me on the inside, let me on the inside. Tell
So ladies, what did you think? What did you think of everything that I tried on? I can't wait to share with you guys what I did pick up. So there will be a part 2 to this video. I hope that you guys are doing well, safe. Please comment, like, and share this video. And I will see you guys in the next. Stay tuned. Smooches.